Hi, hello, namaste, adab. Myself, CMA Banu. I'm accounting faculty in shikharatutorials. Today, from this video, I'm coming up with a great news regarding to the revision exams plus study hours for Group 3 students. Because the shikharatutorials have promised to you, we're going to provide you the revision exams. So not only the coaching, we are also providing you the revision exams. We are with you until the examinations. You no need to fear in this preparation time. So if you observe the scenario, so here in the October, today is the date on 5th October, amma. Really we are having the left with 25 days in the October and 30 days in the November and 10 days in the December. Totally we are having 65 days in our hand for the December 2025 examination. You no need to fear. These 65 days are sufficient for the preparation. Okay na guys. So total syllabus we have divided into the 10 parts. The 10 parts are personally divided by the respective faculties. Law by Sai Kumar sir, DT by Bhaskar sir, SFM by E. Srinivas sir, and SCM by DQ Navin sir. So you can completely rely on the schedule for the examinations. So the examination will be start from 10th October 2025. Sir, here examination on 10th October means you need to prepare for 4 days before, amma. So 4 days is the preparation and 5th day is the examination. That means you need to study 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. Then you need to appear on the 10th examination. And again 11, 12, 13, 14 you need to study. And again 15th is the examination. So like that you need to write how many exams, amma? 10 examinations. After completion of 10 examinations on 23rd November, so after 1 day gap you need to write the grand test 1. For the grand test 1 we are going to provide you 1 day gap. For the grand test 2 there is no gap. So that means like because the days are limited, we have not given any gap for the grand test 2, we have given gap for the grand test 1. So totally you are going to revise 3 times before going to the examinations. So please study well and you need to write each and every question in the examination. You should not left any question, amma. If you write the 100 marks, you can get definitely 50 marks in the examination. So not only the 50 marks, if you write better, you will get easily exemptions in the examination. Okay na guys. So after the totally the schedule will be completed on 6th December. So still we are having 3 days left in our hands. 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th is the examination. You can appear in the law examination. The 3 days are sufficient. So how the examinations pattern will be there, sir? So each subject we are going to give for 25 marks. So 25 into 4, 100 marks exam. 3 hours is the exam. We need to write the final exam also 3 hours. So in this 25 marks, 10 marks is from MCQ's point of view and 15 marks from descriptive point of view. In this 10 marks, we are going to give 5 MCQs, 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 marks. And when coming to the descriptive point of view, we are also providing you a choice. Because in the examination, we are having the choice. Here also, we are having the choice. From 3 questions, you need to write the 2 questions. So this is the overall examination pattern. So last but not least, when coming to the important chapters like portfolio management, we have given 2-time revision for the portfolio management because it is one of the important concept. So totally for the important concept you will get the 4 times revision. For all the remaining concepts you will get a 3-time revision. There is another special point in this division of chapters is like ABC. You will read the first A important chapters and then B and then C category chapters. Okay na guys. So like this the division have been happened here. So you should not leave each and every concept, amma. You need to study every concept. The basic view you should be there. Last but not the least, all the very best for your examination. Shikhara with you for your final examination. Completely rely on Shikhara. So once again, the important code is orange is the symbol of success. So definitely you will clear in the December 2025 exams with the flying colors. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.